Yes, legend is here once more again. Yeah, looking at these seagrass so come in, a whole heap of seagrass come in on the beach. Yeah, but the sea I go remove some of them itself. Yeah, when it come up, when it wash up, it take out them back and them rotten and sink to the floor I see. Yeah, but me now, I go see what I can get done for the day. First, I go up a bush and I go look after the pig them, feed them, change the rope on him foot, and look for some pineapple. Because one tractor man supposed to come cut down a piece of place for me. So, I go deal with all of that. And then leave and go and see me and Jessica and birds. So, stay in touch. We make you know what I go on. Yeah. Just looking at the beautiful water in the morning, you know? Water nice and pretty. Trust me. And the current going that way. Yeah. Current is going that way. Yes, people. I'm there upon the farm, you know, the pine farm in the morning. Yeah. See birds there when I did that wait for. Yeah. Coast yard out I see I go upon them boy, I go check them out there. Yeah. See view, nice view. Yeah man, let me show you what I go on down here so. With the pine them. Eh? No man, that's a pine plant. Yeah. Well, this a part of it. The whole across over so. Go back. The whole of them place here. One tractor for coming in the morning come level it down and push off everything. Make you see pure red dirt and something. So them guys can come plant out the rest of them. Starting from tomorrow. Yeah. Because this right here so I just 150, you know. And about 3,000 me have. Yeah, about 3,000. So the whole across down so I have to clean up and something so the tractor man for come in the morning I come start do that, you know. Yeah. So me I go around an apple tree and I go look to apple and deal with the pig them. Yeah. Make sure them get something to eat. The apple tree, yeah. Apple the pine tree. Yeah. And the pig they over here so. Give him some feed and clear him out and thing. Yeah. See me? Yeah. And the other one they cross over there so. So now go do that. Alright. As you can see, me in my swimsuit already. Yeah, as you can see me in my swimsuit already. Yeah, and them thing here me enjoy do. Yeah man, enjoy taking care of the animal them. Do some farming, go see. In the evening me come back relax. In my jacuzzi and then go play some pool. Me and my friend them have a drink. What can nicer than that? That's the greatest. Hold it up some more. If you rope, you go on your foot, it will good enough. Probably. Come help me something there. I want to change the rope for him back and put it on him foot. Yeah, so we not nobody have to hold the camera to it, so now go on here. Yeah.
No, that's everything. And a clear bush. That one. I got heat, shady. I heat bush. Gotcha. It is.
Yes, people. Yeah. I get some apple in the morning, yeah. So we can eat some apple while we are going to see. Now go look 1, 2 star fruit you know. Yeah. Yeah, and this is the mother one. Mother one is rooting. Yeah. Nice and beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, I clean up a place because I want to plant out the pineapple them properly. Yeah, see them there? Make sure, take them up, put one side and, you know? Yeah. Now go plant up them uniform. Something so that means when pine come in, we can get pine for it. Yeah. You don't know. That's how it go. You have to put your hand on ground so food can eat. Yeah. See where you go. See, start plant out some down here already. Yeah. Them banana tree, I go remove them. Yeah. Down here so start plant up already. And stuff like that. So you don't know. So I go up here now, go get some food, eat and touch the water. Yeah, because you don't know, so see if you go. Or shoot up some fish and lobster and something. Yeah. Yeah man, I say I heard. Yeah, so them here are some more pine sucker with a plant out. Yeah, so you know, them here go in at the earth. Clean up down there so plant out and thing. Yeah. Sorry. Why I wanna not see more of the video them in the water is because the case for the camera is cracked. So you know me have to order it online and wait until it get to me before me can take the camera to the water. So just bear with me and I hope you enjoy this video. Peace. Yeah. On my point field. Watch this. Come. Walk with me. This is the point field. This right here behind me is the point field. This is just a part of it. Yeah. And we have a whole lot more. We have a whole lot more of pine to put in at the earth. Yeah, so this season you have pine. So you don't know where thing go. Look over that side here, sir. All that you see down here is pine. Gone all the way down. And down that side, down this side, look down here, sir. Down that side, now go get clean up so I can plant up as well. What I'm going to do in between these spines, I'm going to get some pumpkin seed and scatter some pumpkin seed in it. Plant out some pumpkin seed, so that means the pumpkin them can run up and down and bear before the pine season come in. You understand? Yeah. And over some little empty space, I'm going to do some little melon and some few corn and something, so we can have little melon and corn to eat while things are going on. You understand? Because we not sit down and waste time. Time is important. So get a youth, found a little piece of land space. No waste it there. Just get a machete and go clean up one little place and juke two seed where you can have something to eat, you know? You don't have to run go buy everything. From the country or there or town or anywhere. If I even get some dirt in our pan and do something. Yeah. So you can say, yeah, you achieve this one thing for the day. Time is important. Yeah man, do your thing. And don't wait for a friend to come help you do nothing. Find the energy and the strength within you and do it yourself. Yeah man. If you have a friend around you who loyal enough and she say you try something good and willing to come give you a hand, appreciate it and give thanks. And make sure do unto him or her as they do unto you. Yeah. You want help? God will send help. As long as you try help yourself. Big up on yourself. Straight. You don't know. Farmer McDonald this. Yeah. One love. And I said out. Until I lay my head down. Oh, I see the goodness. To never fail me all my
World Star.
From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head down, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love my life. Love to take care of animals them in the morning and something. I feel nice doing that. Dep on the farm, put in the food them in the herd and thing. It's a blessing. Yeah man. I love what I do. When sea rough, I dep on the farm. When sea calm, I there see. So you don't know anything go. The mathematics calculation. You have to spend certain amount of hours doing that. Then certain amount of hours doing that. So that means the day no waste. Because time is very important. Yeah, once the time pass, you can't get back that time. So you have to put every minute, every second, every hour to the best use you can do it. So try to get what you can get done. For today, bless you. Yeah. I put this on him foot. I make sure it tight so that means it not tie too tight and it not too slack. Because if it too slack, it will slip off on him foot and go to people place go damage them things. Don't want that. Yeah. And if it's too tight, it will cut him. So you don't want it too tight or too slack. Just good enough. Yeah. Yeah. Him want him like a baby now, you know? Enjoy that in the morning. He asked me for that.
Oh,
Yeah. You see that? Enjoy this. Yeah, enjoy that. Keep him cool. You know? Keep him cool in the day.
Banana flash.
This is how him love. Yeah. He love this. Yeah. Yeah man, he love that. And I love to see them happy too.
One day here, so.
Where you want to look at?
In the way. Over the other side.
Watch it for this up. For this.
Here we come.
Watch it.
Woo! On the gun right there, so. Pick tree breadfruit in like 43 seconds.
Pretty.
Breadfruits from off the tree. People like, subscribe, and comment on Quasi channel. Legend of it? No!
Better believe it. One love and blessing straight people. Hope you enjoy the video, you know? Yeah. Manners and respect.